Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all to this channel. So we have the next question on the board, question 50, and this is the last question from the WAEC 2025 mathematics past question. So let's get down to business. Now, for what value of x is 3x plus 2 all over 2x plus 1 undefined? So when you talk about undefined expression, there are expressions that are not valid. That doesn't give out a valid answer. Do you understand what I'm saying? That are not valid. Don't yield any meaningful results. That's the meaning of undefined expression. And these guys can also exist in three ways. That is, undefined can exist in three ways. It's not only this way that undefined can exist. Take for instance, it can exist in form of division by 0 by 0. Something like this. 1 divided by 0, 2 divided by 0, they are said to be undefined. Because if you punch your calculator, 1 divided by 0 will not give you a valid answer. It's going to give you error. You understand what I'm saying? 2 divided by 0 will not give you a valid answer. It's going to give you 0, etc. So as far as the fraction is divided by what? 0, it is said to be what? Undefined. Do you understand? So another way they can exist is when you take the square root of negative number, taking the square root of negative numbers. Square root of negative numbers. So something like this, it is said to be undefined too. Something like this, said to be undefined. So etc. etc. So when you take square root of a negative number, such expression is said to be what? Undefined. Do you understand? Let's take the third one. The third way they can exist is when you take the logarithm of negative, or let me put it like this, non-positive numbers. Non-positive number. The same thing as taking what? Logarithm of what? Negative numbers. You understand? Something like this. Log of -5. It is said to be undefined. It is not valid. Do you understand? Even log of 0, it is also said to be what? Undefined. Do you understand? So that means you cannot have a valid answer to this unless you take them back to what? Complex numbers. Same as square root of negative numbers too. So they are not valid. They are said to be undefined. So those are the three ways that you can have an undefined what? Expression. So we now need to look at which of these one suits this particular question we are given. You can see that the question given to us was based on what? Was based on what? Fraction, right? So then we are going to take the first one, division by 0, because this is also what? Fraction. This is also what? Fraction. We have to just compare this with any of this. Do you get it? So let's start with it. With that, you can write this, please. You can pause the video and write this. Okay. All right. So let's take down the question. Solution. We have 3x plus 2 all over 2x plus 1. So we can equate it to anything. I can say any number divided by 0. As far as that expression is over 0, it's said to be undefined. So I can just take, let me take 1 divided by 0. So what I need, or what you need basically, is just the denominator that you need and equate it to 0. You have no business with the numerator. When you have division by 0 under undefined expression, something like this, and they say you should find the value of x, you just equate the denominator to 0. You have no business with the numerator. I repeat, for undefined expression, in this case, you have no business with the numerator. You only have business with the word denominator. You have no business with the numerator. You just take the denominator and equate to 0, because that is what makes it to the word undefined. Do you understand? So in that case, I will just take 2x plus 1 equals to what? 0. Then I'll collect like times, have you? So this is going to give us 2x equals to 0 minus 1. And that's 2x equals to what? Minus 1. To get the value of x, I will divide what's by 2. So therefore, x equals to minus 1 over 2, which is my final answer. So what will make this expression to be undefined? It is negative 1 over what? 2. And that's option what? B. So this is how you solve problems like this. Do you understand? So that will be all for this 2025 mathematics past question. So I hope you enjoy my video. So if you are new to this channel, you are just seeing my video for the first time, kindly check to my channel. You'll see everything from number 1 down to this question word 50. I've provided solution to everything. So please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more of this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.